एक गजाल आहा न्ही हो जो प्रश्न की ही लायन कित्या खातीर
हय
ह्या ऑर्डरींतल्यान एक गजाल म्हाका दिसता स्पश्ट जाता की हो सगळो खटाटोप जो चल्ला तो कोळशा खातीर.
But Pramod, see, let me interrupt here. The government is on record saying that they are going to cap coal by 50%.
Yes.
So where's the question of?
No, but the intention and the motive.
Yes,
Why
yes,
I'm saying
yes, yes,
is
that's correct.
जो किशोरान मुद्दो काढलो की ह्या कंप्लीट प्रोजेक्टातलो प्रोबेबली 15% एरियाच गोंया भितर येता.
Yes.
बरोबर.
Yes.
सो दॅट 15% फक्त कोळशा खातीर न्ही, दिस एंटायर प्रोजेक्ट कोळशा खातीर
Yes.
तातूंतले 15% आमचे.
Yes, yes.
इज दॅट वॉट ह्या ऑर्डरींतल्यान आय वॉन्टेड टू आस्क यू दॅट की हें सिद्ध जाता काय कितें की दिस एंटायर थिंग दे मेड बी डिस्ट्रक्शन these tunnels or bridges or everything with the sole intention to increase the coal transport.
Again, the Supreme Court has made very clear that there is no justification in all the points raised by the railways.
Yes.
Number one is enhancement of coal.
Coal.
When the government itself
Yes.
is saying 50% capping, it doesn't serve. Secondly, still now there is underutilization of capacity.
Yes.
And even if you have a projected increase uptake later on, you know, it doesn't really necessitate justify a double tracking. Number one. Secondly, the speed which you are talking about on the gradient.
Yes.
Again, it is not going to change.
No, absolutely
because you know they are talking about 5 engines,
Yeah.
3 in the front, 2 in the at the back. You know, all of that, nothing changes. I mean, I
Why?
don't know why.
Yes.
कित्या खातीर पाडलो? कोळशा खातीरच आसा?
कोळशा खातीर हे सगळ्यान जाहीर आसा. सरकारान जर सांगला की आपूण अमूक पर्संटच ताका व्हरपाक दितलो कोळसो म्हणून सरकाराची विधान ही खंय रिटर्न ऑर्डर काडल्या कोणी केन्ना रिटर्न कितें आसा आनी तो विशय सेंट्रलच्या हातून आसा, तो स्टेटीच्या हातून येना, तो हेंचो प्रोरोगेटिव्हान येना तो विशय.
रिटर्न असले देऊन
तो ज्युरिडिक्शनूच सेंट्रलचे येता कारण एमपीटी कडल्यान डायरेक्ट हॉस्पिटल मेरेन हे असल्या कारणान